wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are very well. As the moderator, I will lead the discussion on this time. This forum will be discuss the pros and cons of space travel plans. But before we move the heart of the discussion, let me introduce our group first. We are Group 10. I'm Siti Nurul Anissa Rahim as the moderator that will be leading the discussion. Here I am accompanied by 3 of my partners. The first is Tracy Trinita Ramadhani, is the first speaker, and the second one is Rizky Mutia Alfianti as the second speaker, and the last one is Nurul Ikhwanil Sainal as the third speaker. As I said earlier, here we will discuss the pros and cons of space travel plans. In that case, let's go straight to the first issues. For Miss Tracy, what do you think of scientists who plan to do something crazy that is to explore and even live in space?
Opinion: the space trip was a very stupid mission and would have a bad effect on the economic condition of the inhabitants of the Earth. I heard that in 2020, the ISS or International Space Station has allowed people to travel into space. They have to pay a trip fee of about $20 to $40 million, with a price that does not mess around like that. It seems that not just anyone who can travel into space. Even so, for me the mission was just a volley that yielded nothing. Tourists could be injured or even lost their lives while gliding into space. If this mission is going to happen, then I'm sure that I will get regrets.
So, in your opinion, the ISS allows the people of the Earth to travel on space tours. It is a form of stupidity? What makes you so sure that they will only get remorse later?
Yes, they will only regret it later. First, they will feel that their money should not be used for such a thing. Second, tremendous pressure while in the Earth atmosphere will hurt the body. Not to mention that the zero gravity they will face can make head dizzy and feel like vomiting. So I think forward is space handsomely just for things that will harm the body.
I see. So, this mission is just a folly, not just draining wallets, but very disturbing the comfort of the body. What do you think, the second speaker, about the space trip? Can Earthlings live on another planet?
So far, the Earth is still the only place that is worthy of human habitation. Experts still have not got the best result to make other planets in the solar system as a second home for Earthlings. But as you know, that there is one planet that is arguably the twin of our planets, Mars. Mars is the 4th planet in our solar system. It is thought as a red planet because of its color that tends to be red. Although it is said that the planet is similar to Earth, experts still cannot allow humans to live there.
I've also heard that Mars was once going to be the second planet of humans. But how can Mars be said to be the planet that will hold humans where it is ahead?
The reason is because the duration per day on Mars is similar to the duration of time on Earth. It's just that Mars is a little longer, which is 24 hours and 39 minutes. NASA has been confirmed that the presence of water on Mars is confirmed to exist. Then, Mars humidity level reached more than 18%. Experts have discovered something similar to a moss on the surface of Mars. It is possible that photosynthesis in plants may occur on Mars.
So, humans have the potential to live on Mars because of those things? I just learned that on Mars it also has like moss living things growing there. What about the third speaker? If the second speaker says that Mars could potentially be left behind by humans, do you agree with her?
Okay, my name is Nurul Ikhwan Senal. I'm third speaker. Although Mars has the potential to be habitable, we should also look at the other condition there. The distance from the Sun to Mars is farther from the Sun Earth. This results in the temperatures on Mars tending to be colder than Earth. The lowest temperature there could be 118 degrees, a very extreme temperature for humans. Mars has no magnetosphere and a very thin atmosphere. This causes very high ultraviolet radiation and will have a fatal effect from humans. Mars' atmosphere contains about 95% carbon dioxide. Living things such as humans, animals, and plants cannot survive with conditions like.
Wow, what a terrible life! Instead of benefit humans, it can harm humans. But what do experts say Mars could potentially be left behind while the temperature, air, atmospheric conditions there are dire?
Okay, it is true that on Mars could potentially be inhabited. The statement existed before the discovery of the things I mentioned earlier. Right now, there are no planets in your solar system that can be inhabited by humans. We don't know yet if you're outside our solar system there are planets that are really similar to the condition on Earth.
Oh, I see. Don't stay there, just go for a tour. It's very dangerous. The ISS allowed humans to travel in space. Of course, they don't carelessly allow that. It definitely needs analysis and observations from experts, so that is issue such a statement. Nevertheless, the danger will always come our way. We don't know what dangers will happen in the future if humans freely venture out of space. NASA and ISS will certainly provide accurate and reliable information. We just need to deal with that as wisely as possible. The government will also certainly give the best for its people. Plans for a vacation, exploring, camping, or even settling on another planet could happen in the future. We just need time to make sure it's going to actually happen or it's just a dream. Okay guys, I think this is the end of our discussion session in this time. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully what we have discussed can become our study material later. We were a group 10 living. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya!